Hi, I'm Johnny with OnlineLabels.com, and today I'm going to go over the 8 best sticker paper materials. More and more sticker makers are starting their own businesses, and with the market becoming more crowded, it's important that you're using the best sticker paper material available. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of each material and their strengths, how they compare to other materials, and include design tips. Our weatherproof matte inkjet labels is our most popular material among sticker makers. It's thick, durable, vinyl-like, and creates stickers that last. The water-fast inkjet coating with WJ absorbs your designs quickly, resulting in a vibrant end product with colors that pop. This material is also weatherproof and features a strong adhesive. Printing on this material means waterproof stickers that are resistant to tearing, smearing, and peeling. While this is great for light to moderate exposure, for heavy exposure, we recommend applying a clear overcoat spray or using a clear laminate over your designs. WJ is compatible with inkjet printers, so if you have a laser printer, stay tuned for some recommendations later in this video. Standard white matte is our most economical label option, and while you'll be saving money, you won't be skimping on quality. It features a bright white face sheet, holds ink well, and produces vibrant prints, making it a great option for full color designs. The texture of the face stock is like paper as opposed to vinyl, which can create a more organic and unfinished look and feel. Our standard white matte material isn't weatherproof, so we don't recommend this for liquid exposure, although you can add an overcoat spray or clear laminate for light to moderate liquid exposure. Overall, standard white matte is a great option due to its affordability, versatility, and quality. Best of all, this material is compatible with both inkjet and laser printers. Brown craft gives labels a distinct craft look and often can be incorporated into the label design. The earthy brown paper bag finish makes it perfect for highlighting handmade, eco-friendly, and rustic qualities, and looks flush with paper bags and cardboard boxes. This material is versatile and is great for a variety of uses, including stickers for invitations and envelope seals, wedding details, party favors, bullet journal stickers, and more. Our brown craft material is paper-based, so it's not weatherproof, but can be made more durable with a top coat, like an overcoat spray. This material is also printable in both inkjet and laser printers. It's important to keep in mind that with brown craft, your prints will appear transparent, and you'll see the brown craft through the ink or toner, causing colors to look darker. If color matching and vibrant prints are important to your design, we recommend going with a white label option instead. Gloss materials are a great fit if you're looking for a sleek, premium look. It's a guaranteed way to get a high-quality, professional look at home. These materials will give you photo-quality stickers with colors that pop and shine. We offer several glossy options, but we recommend white gloss inkjet and weatherproof gloss inkjet for the most vibrant results. Keep in mind that the glossy surface of these labels can cause issues with electronic cutting machines. But there are a few hacks that you can do to get around this. We'll include examples in the description below. If hand cutting isn't practical for your project, we recommend using a matte material, applying a gloss laminate over the top, then cutting your stickers using an electronic cutting machine, or you can try to get your glossy paper to register in a cutting machine by placing a small piece of clear matte tape over the registration mark. While our glossy materials are great options for decorative stickers, they may not be ideal for planner or organization stickers, as matte materials are better suited for writing. Clear materials are a unique and popular option for sticker makers. Like brown craft, the clear nature of the material can also be an important element to the design. Our clear materials are crystal clear gloss inkjet, frosted clear matte inkjet, crystal clear gloss laser, and frosted clear matte laser. When designing your stickers, it's important to keep in mind that the surface the sticker is placed on will be visible through the design, which will affect the end look. Also, any white on your design will not print and will just appear clear. We offer clear gloss and clear matte both for inkjet and laser printers, with gloss being transparent and shiny, and matte having a frosted look that's slightly see-through. If having a weatherproof material is important to you, then we definitely recommend a clear laser material. You can also add some protective properties to clear inkjet labels by applying an overcoat or a clear laminate. For the most durable materials to withstand extreme conditions and heavy liquid exposure, we definitely recommend our weatherproof polyester laser and weatherproof vinyl laser labels. Weatherproof polyester is a vinyl-like film, whereas our weatherproof vinyl is a true vinyl material. They're both resistant to water, oil, and even some chemicals, and adhere to almost any surface, including metal, plastic, glass, and are tear-resistant and smudge-proof. Both materials feature face sheets that fall between matte and gloss, and are designed to print only with laser printers. Weatherproof vinyl laser sticker paper is a specialized material that's best suited for those who need a vinyl material with oil and chemical resistant properties. Weatherproof polyester laser is more common among all products and uses and features a bright white face sheet and semi-gloss top coat that makes artwork pop. Removable white matte is a material that's ideal for making planner and organization stickers. It's paper-based matte and can be easily removed and repositioned without leaving a sticky residue behind. This material features the same bright white face sheet as our standard white matte material and is also compatible with both inkjet and laser printers. The removable material really shines for certain practical applications. It's great for planners and bullet journals, file folders, and other temporary craft projects. Finally, we have our recycled white matte material, which is made from 100% post-consumer waste. Post-consumer waste is made from recycled materials such as milk cartons, books, old mail, and magazines, making this our more eco-friendly option. It has a bright white face sheet that looks similar to our other white paper-based materials. The non-glossy finish of recycled white matte complements full-color designs and will pop against any background. The recycled white matte sticker paper is compatible with both laser and inkjet printers. Once you've picked a material, check out our cut settings guide and be sure to browse the rest of our sticker paper materials and our sticker making resources library. You can see examples of these materials from our customers in the article in the description below. We hope this rundown of the best sticker paper materials gets you started on your sticker journey.